In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Google Calendar. Using tasks inside Google Calendar is a simple but powerful way to keep track of what you need to do, right alongside your events and meetings. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, and I'll also share a few helpful tips so you can get the most out of this feature. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account and that you have Google Calendar open in your web browser. You can be in any view you like, such as day, week, or month. The process will be the same. Once your calendar is visible, look toward the top left corner of the screen for the Create button. This is usually a colored button that stands out, often with a plus sign next to the word Create. Go ahead and click on that. When you click Create, a small panel or pop-up window will appear, offering you a few different options. Typically, you'll see choices like Event and Task, and sometimes others like Appointment Schedule, depending on your account. For what we're doing today, you want to focus on the Task option. Click on Task, and the panel will switch to the Task Creation view. Now you can enter the details of your new task. The most important field is the task name, which is usually at the very top. Click into that text box and type a clear, specific name for your task. For example, instead of just typing Work, you might type Prepare Weekly Report or Review Project Proposal. A clear name makes it much easier to understand what you need to do when you look at your calendar later. At this point, you can also adjust other basic details if they're available in your panel, such as the date or time, but the core requirement is simply giving the task a name. Keeping your task title short but descriptive is a good habit, especially if you create many tasks. Once you're satisfied with the task name and any other basic information you've added, you're ready to save it. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the panel and click on it. After a moment, your new task will appear on your calendar on the date and time you selected, or on the default date if you didn't change it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a task in Google Calendar, and you can now check it off, move it,